Good morning guys, another day, another project. We are working right here in Rougemount in Pickering. What a beautiful area. We're doing a 3,000 square feet of shingle roof, has a lots of metal valleys, has a lots of ventilation, which we're gonna work on the details. We're gonna explain to you in a minute. Devil is in the details. What we do before we start, as you see, we cover up the whole all around the roofs with the tarp, with the plywood. They have a special plan. We make sure it's covered until we finish the roof. We will open it up for them. Okay, it's around 9:30. The boys getting their first coffee break. But what we accomplish is we rip off the whole roof. The next step is send up the shingles, start laying down underlayment. After each roofer, gonna start installing shingles. So let's go see what my team doing. Come. Homeowners getting new metal valley, heavy gauge, aluminum ventilation, animal proof. On every job we do, we replace everything. Exhaust vent, metal valleys, plumbing stack. We make sure that roof will last you long time. What the customer is getting on this specific job, large drip, large shingle drippage, and then ice and water shield all around the house, Dynasty Performance. The good thing is about Dynasty Performance, it has an armor zone at the back. That's one of my favorite shingle IKO makes. Good luck to IKO. It was a long day. Me and my crew are tired, but we accomplished a lot. This is what we do for a living. We show up with a smile, we finish with a smile. Everything we plan, we schedule, everything goes smooth.